As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the YIORTWO. Any thoughts?
Yeah, I've taken a peek. The ChuMaste is cheaper, like around $169, while the YIORTWO is about $270. Big price difference, huh?
Definitely. Is the YIORTWO worth the extra cash?
Well, it has a burner advantage. The YIORTWO boasts 4 burners putting out 40,000 BTUs, whereas the ChuMaste only has 3 at 30,000 BTUs. So you get more cooking power.
More burners, faster cooking maybe? What about size?
The ChuMaste actually has a larger cooking area, about 465 square inches compared to the YIORTWO's 316 square inches, so you can cook more food at once on the ChuMaste.
Okay, so ChuMaste is bigger, but less powerful. And what about the build quality?
That's where it gets interesting. Some ChuMaste reviewers mention bent pieces and thin materials. The YIORTWO generally gets praised for its build quality. Seems more durable.
Durability matters. Cleaning?
Both claim easy cleanup with removable grease trays. The YIORTWO specifically highlights this feature and a decent storage space.
Storage is good. What about portability? I might want to move it around.
The ChuMaste has wheels for easier movement, but the YIORTWO is significantly lighter, 36 pounds compared to almost 52 pounds for the ChuMaste. So, moving the YIORTWO might be easier even without wheels.
So the YIORTWO seems like a more powerful and sturdier grill, even though it's smaller. But the ChuMaste is more affordable and has a larger cooking area.
Exactly. Plus, the YIORTWO has a side burner, which could be useful for sauces or side dishes. It boils down to what you value more: space and saving money, or power, durability, and a side burner.
Okay, that helps a lot. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.